The greatest blessing that we have ever been blessed with, the deen of Islam and the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the Quran, is one of a kind, and there isn't anything like it or similar to it in its accuracy and in its perfection on passing on messages of mannerisms and rulings and interaction with people. One of the things that the Quran reminds us of is prioritizing, putting everything in its appropriate place. Something that's worth this much, you give it worth that much. And something that's worth a lot more, you give it worth a lot more. One of those things that we've been told to prioritize is the akhirah over the dunya. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, بَلْ تُؤْثِرُونَ الْحَيَاةَ الدُّنْيَا. Indeed, you give preference to the dunya. وَالْآخِرَةُ خَيْرٌ وَأَبْقَى. Even though the akhirah is far greater and far longer lasting. And the Messenger sallallahu alayhi wa sallam says, رَكْعَتَا الْفَجْرِ خَيْرٌ مِنَ الدُّنْيَا وَمَا فِيهَا. The two rak'ahs of Fajr, not the obligatory Salah, the Sunnah that comes before the obligatory Salah, خَيْرٌ مِنَ الدُّنْيَا وَمَا فِيهَا, is better than the whole dunya and what's in the dunya. So if two rak'ahs are worth more than what's in the whole dunya and what's in the whole dunya, then what's an obligatory prayer worth? And what are the rest of the practices of our deen worth? This is essential and really important, because it's our nature that the thing that we are dealing